Come on, Husky. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. This is Oscar Marshmallow. Oscar, say hi to the viewers. Say hi to the viewers. So Oscar Marshmallow is 9 weeks old, O-S-K-A-R, and then Marshmallow is his middle name. We're pretty sure he's a descendant of the polar bear family because he's got a whole lot of fluff. You little floof. You got all sorts of fluff. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go up the stairs. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, are you all right? Come on. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Come up the stairs. Oh, no, 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 no. You good? You need a little help? Here, we got you. We have a bunch to do in today's video. It is the first supercar drive of the season. The Gallardo, the Aventador are both at Makes and Models being serviced right now. So unfortunately, we're not driving the Lambos. The R8 is here, but we're actually meeting John off at Specialized because we're swapping out the R8 for a V12. Unfortunately, we kind of sort of have some bad news. Oscar is not going to be coming on the drive with us because Oscar will ride in my R8. He'll ride in the Jeep. He'll take some Instagram photos on the Gallardo and the Aventador. But I'm swapping out the R8 for a car that's not mine. So Oscar, unfortunately, I'm sorry, buddy. Oski, who is that? Who is that, Oski? Oh, hey, we watch him on YouTube. Look who it is, Oski. Look who it is. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come say hi. Come on. It is the first day of driving season here in the beautiful state of Utah. Like, it could not be a more perfect day other than the fact that it's 37 degrees Fahrenheit, but beside that point, it's beautiful. We got a drive today. 8 cylinders is fun, 10 cylinders is arguably better, but 12 cylinders will change lives. Welcome here to Specialized. The supercar vault of Utah, the Aston V12 Vantage S. The name's Bon. Okay, anyway, sorry. I'll never do that again. Well, I'll probably do it next time. No, this is not the Baby Mac. It is nearly the identical spec McLaren 570S. The Baby Mac is still off at McLaren Newport Beach being serviced. The car has been there for 60 days, which is a whole nother conversation for a different day. We are rocking the Aston V12 Vantage. This is gonna be my first time driving a V12 Vantage. So yeah, we got the 575, we got the 570, we got the V10 manual, we got the V8 Vantage, we got the 430, we got the 458, and we have the Vanquish. Rolls-Royce Ghost, and we have the Lamborghini Urus, whatever. They're like the exact same size. This is a sedan, and this is a sport SUV. So let that sink in for a moment, but not too long, because when it's gone, it's gone. I'm not selling the R8 for the V12 Vantage. I'm simply just dropping it off for the weekend and borrowing it, so very exciting. Massive shout out to Specialized for letting me borrow the Aston Martin today. Unfortunately, both the Lambos are, well, they're being serviced. We didn't drive the V12 Vantage very far, and that's because the first cars, it's not a Cars and Coffee, it's a drive, but it's the first one of the season. Crystal Key. Don't want to drop this. You remember the exclusive V10 Plus, there it is. And then we have the supercharged Spider there as well. We have the LP560, but wait for it, the Aventador S there in Verde Shock. Supercar season has started in the beautiful state of Utah. The whole squad, the Need to Drive squad, we are rolling up Interstate 15 to Antelope Island. I'm in the V12 Vantage, but check this out. Look at all these cars. This is like, see? Sounds so good. My Aventador is still up at Makes and Models. We're getting some of those carbon fiber bits installed, so it's not here, but we still got a V12. You know AJ. If you don't know AJ, be sure to go follow him on Instagram. He took those awesome photos of the Aventador. I kind of made a mistake. We're in last place right now, so all of the supercars are in front of us except for Gordon. That's a supercharged V10 Spider Audi R8. Anyways, we got to catch up. All right, what's up, guys? Hey-o. How's your splitter? Sorry, buddy. Nate just scraped his brand new splitter. That color looks so insane. We have the 740 Lambo in the Utah sun. I think the 488 and the Aventador S are lining up. And the Turbo S there on the far left. That 488 is gone! Whoa. We just reached the curious portion of the vlog. There is a Utah Highway Patrol right behind us. So casually and naturally, we're all going 55 miles an hour. Who would have guessed? Got the i8 right there. Clayton wrapped that i8. You guys might remember, we got the 488. He just pulled over the Aventador. What? He was just chilling. The Utah police is out in full force. We got another one right there. We just passed by another. They are swarming us. The 488's like, you know what, boys? I'm good. I'm out. They're on to us. They're I mean, we're going 33 miles an hour. We're going under 55. We're just, oh, they got Gordon. I'm just kidding. We're good. Gordon's fine. For the first time ever on the channel, I'm filming a Dodge Durango, but look at that color. That is amazing. What? Just a quick FYI, bison may be dangerous. So the bison vlog is not gonna appear on the channel today. Well, it could. We'll see. Stick around. Don't leave. We have some really good news and some kind of sort of bad news. The Aventador S was pulled over by the police, and well, we don't know what happened to him. The good news is we didn't get pulled over, and it's a beautiful day. So welcome to Antelope Island. Also, Gordon did not get pulled over, which is really a story of inspiration, because usually wherever he goes, he gets pulled over. So that's pretty cool. I don't know how this guy did not get pulled over, and I really don't know how that guy didn't get pulled over. It doesn't make any sense. We made it! What do you guys think of the V12 Vantage? This car's for sale. It's specialized for $98,000. You have a front engine V12 in a car that is under 100 grand. You got all the carbon fiber bits. So we're actually gonna head home now. Oscar is just chilling at home, like right there. So the group is getting pizza, but we're getting the dog. So this is what my life has come to. Pizza, dog, definitely Oscar. It's a V12. Oh. Okay, you've made your point. Gordon, he's so smug. Gordon is such a show-off. Are you kidding me? I like this V12 Vantage. It can get a little bit squirmy though, because it's front engine V12, it's rear wheel drive. You guys might remember the last time I drove a front engine V12 rear wheel drive car. That was the 812 super fast, and well, I'm just gonna go to race real quick. I'm gonna hit it. Whoa! So we have about 4 hours. At 6 p.m. we're actually hopping in the Jeep, and we're going to another car show in the Jeep, but it's a supercar show. It's not a Jeep show, but dad life, hashtag dad life, is that it? Anyways. The Aston Martin V12 Vantage. I like this car. The design is killer. Like, it's such a sleek look. It's finished here in the Nardo gray. You got all the carbon fiber options, but the V12, are you kidding me? Like, the fact that Aston Martin fit a V12 in the Vantage is still like unbelievable. Obviously they're doing it in the new Valkyrie as well, but I still cannot get over that. You got all the carbon fiber, Nardo gray. This car's for sale for 98 grand at Specialized. Like $98,000 for a V12 naturally aspirated Aston Martin. Obviously now that I have Oscar, like, you know, the Vanquish, maybe the DB9 makes more sense, but I dig this car. Speaking of Oscar, he's barking inside. But take a moment. Okay, no. Oski! Oski! How are you doing, buddy? What's up? What's up? You okay? I missed you, you little fluff ball. It's slippery. It's slippery. These wood floors are slippery. Come on. Let's go. Wow! We're running incredibly late. We're actually leaving the Aston Martin here. We're going to another supercar show, but we're taking the Jeep because Oscar can't ride in the Aston Martin because it's for sale at Specialized. So yeah, anyways. This is what happens when you become a dad. Everybody else brings the Lambos. You bring the Wrangler. This is what my life has come to. I come to the car events, I'd bring the Jeep, but I get to bring Oski. Check this out, another Aventador S. There's only 6 Aventadors in the state. There's 2 Aventador S's, and we've seen both of them in today's video. This one is finished here in white. We got Mikey in the GT3 RS, we got the Lotus Evora, so we got Gordon in the SVR, and we're cruising up there to Park City. Come on, we got the Aventador S, come on Oski. Yeah, we got the Vanderhall right there. We got the Panamera. Come on. Oh, are you all right? The face plant, are you okay? Oscar and I are gonna try our best to keep up. I don't think it's gonna go very well. The only competitive advantage that we have is that we're not worried about scraping our front bumper. We're keeping up with the Aventador and the Vanderhall on cue. But that's pretty. It's not about how much horsepower you have, it's your ability to choose the right lane. Okay, so power does make a difference, though. It does help. If you listen extremely closely, you can hear the faint whisper of a V12 Lamborghini Aventador S accelerating. That's all I got. They're gone. So, anyways, carry on. We got Mikey in that GT3 RS. I don't know how we got in front of him, but he probably stopped for gas, had lunch, and now he's in front of us, and well, he's gone. Husky, come on. Let's go.
How's it going?
Let's go.
What's up, man? How's it going? Hi, my name's Clayton. It's nice to meet you.
Come on, buddy. Let's go. Pure muscle. What's up, Doc?
Yeah, do you remember this guy with Oscar?
Here they go.
Oscar. Yeah.
Hello. Let's go. I've seen pretty much every single Lamborghini in the state of Utah, but I've never seen this first-gen Gallardo Spider. Looking good. Whoa. I don't know what exhaust is on this Aventador S, but like it sounds insane. Also, it has the center lock wheels. I'd love to get those for my Aventador, but the whole kit is like $5,000. What do you guys think? Should I get center locks or no? Whoa. Best friends at first sight. Whoa.
Sal, what did I tell you?
Oh, Sal's getting reprimanded by Mom. It's your older brothers from the North Pole. Look at them. Your older brothers, what do you think? No comment? No? You don't see the resemblance? You don't find this funny? We have arrived back at home sweet home. That Aston Martin is killer. Come here. Come on, we gotta end today's video. The Aston Martin V12 Vantage, we have to return it tomorrow, unfortunately. But that is going to effectively end today's video. As always, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and we're out. We're out.